Right, day 4. Day 4 of Advent Calendar opening. Okay, Harry Plobber. 2 and 3 is over here. So where is number 4? It's right there. Let's see what we got. We got a Christmas tree. Yay! Look at Christmas tree. All right, so that is that. Okay, done that one. Day 4, awesome. Then we've got Marvel. So Marvel, day 4. Here we go. We have some kind of street lamp with a banana and a camera. Okay. Of course, that's very festive. Okay. A street lamp and a banana. What? Okay. And next is Star Wars. Right. So Star Wars, day 4. Here we go, and we've got a little. Can't remember what these guys are called now. Can't remember, but that's cool. Day 4. Then we have the city calendar. Day 4. So far has been my favourite. Day 4. There we go, and we have a roller skate with a helmet. Okay, maybe the same kid that we had in day 1 can ride that as well. So if it's not snowing, he can ride his skateboard. Okay, so I'm going to build these and I'll be back in a second. Okay, that's that one done. Day 4. Right, Harry Potter, day 4. Nice little Christmas tree. But let's get that in focus. It's kind of cool. A little base as well with the tree trunk here. Lights, I suppose. These are supposed to be lights, gold and red, and the star at the top. Okay, then we've got Marvel, which has got the camera. If I can get that in focus, there's the camera, and these green parts I'm supposing are supposed to be like street signs with no street sign numbering on them, and of course the street light itself. So yeah, I kind of like that. That's pretty cool. So that's that one, and also comes with, for some reason, a banana skin, which actually is kind of cool because I've not got one of these. So there you go, and it's rubberized. It's not plastic; it's rubber kind of thing. So that goes on the floor. Then Star Wars, we got one of the troopers. I'm not sure what they're called, but yeah, he was fairly simple and basic. Still nothing festive really. And then I've stolen the little kid from City, stuck him with his skateboard helmet on, and put him on his skateboard. So you get basically the helmet and the skateboard in day 4 of the City calendar. So that's day 4 done. Another 20 to go. Or 20? Yeah, 20 to go. Smash the like button, subscribe, comment. What do you think? Did you buy any of these? And I'll see you in the next one.